What if you could try a trade on Tuesday and see results by Friday? That is what Jim Fink's 310F trade is all about. It is a way to trade options that does not take months or years. It focuses on making gains in just 3 days or 10 days, always ending on a Friday. Here is the main idea right away. Jim Fink's system is part of a service called Velocity Trader. Members get clear trade alerts, short training videos, and access to a private online club. The trades use options, but they are explained step by step, so even beginners can follow along. The goal is simple: small stock moves turned into bigger option gains in a short time. The name 310F comes from how it works. Trades are entered on Tuesday. They are designed to pay out by that same Friday, or by the following Friday at the latest. So it is 3 days or 10 days, and it always ends on Friday. Instead of waiting around for months, you get a clear window for action. Jim Fink built this strategy by studying repeat patterns in stocks. These patterns often show up at the same times every year. Most people do not notice them, but he found ways to use options to make the most of those small moves. He then gives members the exact steps to follow in their brokerage accounts. Stick around, because in a bit, I will explain the win rate and track record, and it may surprise you. So, who is Jim Fink? He has a very different background from most traders. He started as a lawyer with top degrees and worked at a major Wall Street firm. There, he saw how institutions made money every Friday with options. That led him to switch from law into full-time trading. Over time, he turned a $50,000 account into $5 million in just 3.5 years. Today, he shares the same type of trades with everyday investors through Velocity Trader. If you are interested to subscribe, please check the link in the description. We are almost halfway through, and here is where it gets interesting. Since 2015, the system has closed over 900 trades. More than 97% of them were winners. That is a success rate very few services can claim. The average gain per trade has been over 50%. Some examples include a 100% gain on Apple in 3 days, 150% on Illumina in 10 days, and even Walgreens doubling with only an 11% move in the stock itself. What do members get when they join? They start with 2 active 310F trades right away. Each week, usually on Tuesday, Jim sends out fresh alerts. He also gives clear exit signals so you know when to close. You can get alerts by email, on the website, or by text if you choose. Members also get his video seminar that explains the system in plain steps, plus access to the online clubhouse where traders can connect and ask questions. Here is a quick teaser before we move to the final part. The cost of this service may be lower than you think, especially with the current discount. So let's talk money. Velocity Trader is normally priced at $1,995 per year, but right now there is a special offer for $995. That is a savings of $1,000. On top of that, there is a 30-day refund guarantee. This gives you a full month to test the trades, watch the training, and see if it fits your style. We are in the last stretch now. The pros are clear: a proven track record, very fast results, and step-by-step support. The cons are that it uses options, which may be new for some people, and it requires quick action on Tuesdays. For those who can handle that, it offers a very structured and tested path. So, is Jim Fink's 310F trade worth it? If you want short-term trades, a clear system, and a chance to learn from someone with years of success, then yes, it may be worth trying. The refund window makes it safer to test without long-term risk. One last fact to leave you with. Since 2015, out of 926 trades, 904 have been winners. That is a 97.6% success rate. Not many trading strategies can say that. If you want more details about subscription, please check the pinned comment.